All right, guys. I already complete the wiring for the BMS, and everything was good. You saw the testing. I got 52 volt, which is around 50% of 50 something percent of when the battery pack is fully charged at 58, around 58. Anyways, everything was good until it was not that good anymore. So
What you talking about, Willis?
So I got a little setback for whatever reason after I complete the wiring installation, the wiring, for the BMS, and I connect this, guy. If you look, I make the the ring terminal, and this was going straight to the negative. So when I did that, and nothing got fired, no smoke, anything of that, but the battery voltage went down to 48. So when I measure at the output here, I got 48 volts, and it's supposed to be 52. If I disconnect this, I got 52 back. So something is wrong with this. I don't know what it is. I tried to return it, but because I've been having this guy for so long, and I've been working in some other projects, I didn't have chance to return it. Moving forward, I found a different solution. Actually, is even better. This VMS system. So on the back board basically is this, but instead of having these wires, you got a nice tracks. Those little tracks. So, but it connects the same way. So you got the holes for the screws, and the bus bars that I have, they are embedded. I don't know if you can see the dark shadow over there, and then you got a light that you can see more green. So that's basically what it is. And then this is the BMS, and if you see, this one is the same size, but it got two wires. This one only got one, which will handle more current. You see the same over here, the black cables. It got two, and then it goes to a nice Anderson connector, and then I did my connection over here. So this is the fuse. This is just a big ass aluminum connector that have two screws over here. So I slide one end over here, the other end over here. And then and this is negative. This and then the Anderson connector that goes over here on the battery, and the blue one, this is the Y Anderson connector that I was telling you before. So here is the charging that is over here, and if you look, I already prepared my charger. And the blue wire over here is for the charger. So that's that. So I will put I will assemble the box again, close everything nice and tight and nice, and then plug this, and let's give it a ride and see. This will be the first test, by the way. All right, guys, I already dressed it up, put all the covers. I got it charging, so I'm testing the charger. So right now, if you can hear the fan going on, so I plug it in. She's all nice with all the covers. So is around 78%, something like that. In a little bit, I will push it all the way back, just in case something goes wrong. So I don't want to start a fire over here. So I'll move it to the lawn and see how it goes. All right, guys, bear with me on this one. All right, guys, this is the maiden voyage. Let's see how it goes. it runs, but it does cut the grass. I already did the lawn a few days ago, so there's not too much that I can cut, but let's see if the blades come on. All right. Next time I will keep you posted how long it lasts. That's the last thing to test. Thank you for watching.